Okay, so open up your Firefox browser and copy this URL, which is testphp.valanhub.com. Okay, so just type this URL on the Firefox browser. Now copy this URL. Now open up your terminal, and from here just type sudo SQLmap --url and then the URL name. Now type crawl equals to --batch. Hit enter. Provide your super user password and hit enter. So it will select all the default options and it will find all the default URLs, okay, which is vulnerable. So let's see what happens. So it found this vulnerable URL here. So I will copy this URL. Now coming to this terminal, we will type sudo SQLmap --url and then paste the vulnerable URL here. Now type technique and then type u and then type --dbs. Hit enter. So as you can see, this will fetch the databases. Okay, so as you can see, these databases got found, and I will choose this acquired because I think this is the basically the databases will, okay, because see, this URL is vulnerable and it is the educational video. So the website valanhub.com, this website valanhub.com provide us to test all types of tools which is available in the Kali Linux repositories. So you can test multiple types of URLs here, multiple types of tests here, okay, and do many types of tests here. But I will do not say to perform these types of operation over any types of databases which is non-authenticated, or maybe the company or maybe the school or any types of authority who does not provide you that you cannot do the testing over their databases or website. So do not test SQLmap operations over their URLs. Okay, so I think you may understand what I want to say. Now coming back to the terminal, as you can see, we have found this database. So I will copy this. So copy selection. Now clear up this terminal. Now type sudo SQLmap. I will back up this URL. Now I have found the database, so I type -d and the database name, and I will type tables to found all the tables. Now hit enter. So as you can see, it will fetch all the tables here, right? So as you can see, there have a users table which include all the emails maybe. So what I will do, I will fetch all the tables from that users. I will see the schema of this users table. Okay, so for that okay, first clear up all the terminal here. Okay, so just clear up the terminal. Now type -T and then users and -- columns. Hit enter. So as you can see, it just started found the schema, and as you can see, users table schema got found. Okay, now we will select uname and password because we want username and password. So for that, again just clear up the terminal, and from the previous command just type -c and then the column name, which is uname and pass and --dump. Hit enter. So as you can see, it just started performing and it found the username and password here, which is test and test. Now open up this URL and go to where to go. I really don't know. Okay, your profile maybe, yeah, and now the username is test, password is test. Okay, fine. So we will type test and test and test. Let's see what happens. Login. Don't save. As you can see, uh, account got logged in. So this is basically the way to test the SQL map. Hope this video is helpful for you. Okay, thank you guys.